This is the Energica Garage, and to get started with our motorbike, in this first video, we're going to be talking about activating the throttle. Let's get into it. I want to first point your attention to the right-hand control where you'll find the emergency switch. The emergency switch has three positions: a resting neutral position, an engine start button, and an engine stop or kill switch. You can easily return to the neutral position before riding. To then activate the throttle, with the kickstand in the up position, pull the front brake lever and then push the engine start button. You'll then hear a click, followed by a green illuminated go in the lower left-hand corner of the dash. This now signifies that the throttle is live and you can now gently twist the throttle to go.